Good afternoon, everyone. Jonathan Davis here with Davis AutoSports. We are offering you guys a absolutely gorgeous and pristine 2018 McLaren 720S Performance, 16,000 original and documented miles, extremely high MSRP. As you see, carbon package 1, 2, and 3 on this 720. A lot of additional upgrades, full car PPF, zero paint work on the car. This is a two-owner car, and for a standard 720 2018 McLaren, usually they have a handful of owners. P0 tires all the way around with about 85% life on them. Rift titanium exhaust. Make sure if you're viewing this on YouTube, check out our website, davisautosports.com, for a full spec sheet of all the factory options and some of the aftermarket options as well. Full carbon roof. .360 parking as well. Huge MSRP. Front lip, obviously. Expel tint. We just sold a 720 Performance last week, but we do have a 600 LT, and then we also have a 570 with a full 600 LT body package as well. I mean, the paint is absolutely stunning on this, as well as the PPF. Full carbon roof. Aero works absolutely perfect, as do all the park assists, all the cameras. Everything, even the diffuser, has been PPF'd. Full car. Bottom side of the spoiler. car is literally perfect. Soft shut doors. Also have double PPF on the bottom of the door. You can see how nice it, very clean on the bottom. Full carbon interior. Upgraded sound. $16,000. It just turned off. 16,400 miles. Drives flawlessly. I take this route home obviously every night in many different types of cars, and this car is very, very tight. The 720 we just sold did not drive as well as this car does. Perfect. Another one coming here. Perfect. If you see me swerving, I'm just avoiding some holes that I'm aware of. Tracks absolutely perfect. Every single component in this car, from windows to mirrors, everything works absolutely flawless. No lights on. That's the traction light that I actually have on right now. Arrow, as you see. Arrow just went up, arrow going down. As you see, traction's off now. guys have any questions, please feel free to contact us at 855-955-3377. Thank you.